Hey guys, what is up? The Mouse 15 here, and welcome back to Watch Dogs Legion. As you can see, compared to Meet the Crew, I have now got a lot more operatives, and one of them is the Beekeeper. We're gonna have some fun with this guy. Let's get started.
The good people to fight alongside with makes this easier. Glad to have you. I'm ready to stir up the shit with you. Fantastic.
Ooh, nice. So we gotta find somewhere to attack, so let's go. Don't mess with the Beekeeper and his bees. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the clothing this guy is wearing. Makes him look like a superhero. The Beekeeper. Let's do this.
Sierra 42, Sierra 42, this is control. An alarm has been activated near you. Stay in the area. Over.
Feel the sting.
Continuing unlawful activity will result in arrest.
You're not an enemy.
Cease and desist, or you will be restrained.
Nice! Is that a plasma gun? Oh. Oh boy. No, 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 no. I hate these riot drones. I hate them. Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh crap, another one? Okay, apparently I can't modify my loadout in restricted areas. Can I release the bees onto the drone? Oh heck yeah, I sure can. Oh crap, they're mauling that thing. Like a pro. Okay, this restricted area is way bigger. Let's go. Oh, can we not enter through there? Oh, we have to enter through. What the heck? Why is this a restricted area if I can't get inside it? Okay, apparently there wasn't an entrance to that building. Probably had to get to the roof, but I couldn't figure out how. Now it's really time to start stuff. Give me all the enemies. Ha! Oh! Well, that's gonna be hurting in the morning. Wait, one of my operatives is out there. Oh yeah, it's one of my protest leaders. Adios, amigos. This is more like it. You shouldn't have messed with the Beekeeper. That's how it went down. Decided to get the police after me. This is gonna be a heck of a lot of fun. Hi there. Are you gonna get out of the vehicle? Yep. Okay, it doesn't kill them, but it. You know that many bee stings has got to hurt.
Suspect has a gun. I say again, suspect has a weapon over.
Oh! This is how you do it.
All units, we are after the suspect.
Use a pursuit intervention technique.
There's another restricted area. Let's go.
Suspect is unsighted. Unsighted sweeping area.
Oh!
Critical. Over.
There, finally. Captain, time to fall. Soldiers! Too many, too many.
Closest units proceed to alarm location.
You should be saying that to yourself. Okay, nope, I'm gonna die. Okay, yep, guessed it. Yeet. Ah, crap. Here we go again. Howdy. I'm sorry, was that extremely painful? Oh, I know it was. Move that. Move your car.
Let's find this one. Sending location at 10:33. Advise conditions.
Come on. Come on, you wanna go?
Piece of idiot.
You're the idiot, more or less. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, B-Man! On the floor. Just knock a guy out because why not? One of the. Don't ask why, ask why not.
All units. All units.
Urgh.
Proceed to alarm location.
Fucking alarm. Obviously, we'll set it off.
What are you? A barrister. What the heck? Just die. Okay, I can't attack them. Okay, that works. I guess. Hehe. The Beekeeper shows no mercy. Okay, what the heck? In the Tower of London.
Stay down now!
Spread out. Good. Keep an eye out.
Seems that manky little nerd was the one who kept diverting relief supplies away from the borough to keep everyone in line for Albion. These days, you can do a lot more evil with a spreadsheet than a drone fleet.
Ah, that's just great.
Oh, okay, you want to go? Mmm. Come on, Cap.
Fuck's sake! You're gonna eat legs, mate.
The bees had your number all along.
What's that?
It's called bees. The Beekeeper is the ultimate of showing no mercy. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm not going to survive this one. I'm not going to survive this one. Okay. How much time we got? Oh, we're making good time, actually. Ugh. Woo! They never stood a chance. And that's how it goes. Well, guys, I think I'm going to stop the video here. I do honestly hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see me have some more fun with the Beekeeper, then tell me down in the comments. Anyways, guys, be a mouse and stay a mouse, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to drop a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and also turn on post notifications and set it for all notifications also if you're new. Anyways, guys, see you in the next one. Good night, everybody.